Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Filecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Filecoin chart, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 2, which is highlighted here in red. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1, and that was after seeing a 5 wave structure in formation of this Elliot wave structure right here in yellow, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $9.5 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Filecoin chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to first sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $16.071 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Filecoin to do here on the long-term scenarios in the formation of this wave 3, which is an impulsive wave. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see fractal waves in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is going to give me the short-term scenarios, and I believe that is better seen here on the 1-hour chart. So jumping to the 1-hour chart for further analysis and to give you the short-term scenarios. Here on the 1-hour chart, you can see that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2, we started this massive run up to the upper side, obeying the Elliot wave structures, where you can see have this Elliot wave structure in red, having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $7.6 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the high for this first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that we saw over here in a breakdown that managed to get into the minimum retracement area, which is highlighted here in blue. And having retraced into this minimum retracement area, I now believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive run up to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see another 5 wave structure in formation within the formation of this wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of this wave 3 that is now going to give me the short-term scenarios. And I believe that after seeing our low in the formation of this wave 2 down here at around the $5.193 mark, we started this massive run up to the upper side in what we can term as the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3. And because of the fractal waves that I'm expecting, I believe that we have now peaked in the formation of that first wave in the move that we made, in the high that we made yesterday at around the $5.9 mark. And whatever we are seeing at the moment is a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3, then expect a wave 4, and then the wave 5, fully maximizing our target areas in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And to give you the breakdown targets in the formation of this wave 2, using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that now gives me a target area in the formation of this wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, which is a target area that lies between the $5.547 mark and the $5.467 $7 mark, and it is within this red target area that we can now expect to see the low for that second wave before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my breakdown targets between the $5.547 and the $5.467 mark. And once we fully maximize that target area, then we can expect our impulsive wave to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And within this second wave, that would be another perfect entry to get back into Filecoin, and that is not financial advice, so make sure that you do your own research before we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3 to the upper side. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios and also on the long-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the 4-hour chart, we are trading at around the 52 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support further breakdowns into that target area in the formation of that wave 2. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, though we are seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, suggesting that soon we might be able to print a bearish cross to fully give us that breakdown in the formation of that wave 2. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.